Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. What's your name? What's your name?
Yes, yes. Ma'am, my name is Kalpesh.
Kalpesh. So, Kalpesh, tell me about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm also great.
Okay.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to talk with you.
You're welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So, now
Okay.
tell me about yourself.
My name is Kalpesh. Yes, yes, yes. My name is Kalpesh, and I'm from Nasik city, which is located in Maharashtra state.
Okay.
If I talk about my family, so there are six members in my family.
Okay.
We are four siblings. They three, all of them are married, and now I'm a bachelor.
Oh, you are a
Yes,
bachelor. What are
and
you doing right now?
my father. I'm in Nasik, ma'am. Nasik. You heard about Nasik? Is in
Yes, yes,
Maharashtra state.
yes,
My
yes.
father is engaged with agriculture, and my mom is housemaker, homemaker.
Homemaker. And your father?
He is engaged in agriculture.
Okay, okay. You said there are six members in our family. If it is six, then it is plural. So it should be members. There are six
Okay, okay,
members
okay.
in my
Member.
family. So
Yes,
you
yes,
have four siblings. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
All of them are married and you are bachelor.
Yes, ma'am.
So why didn't you get
Yes.
married?
Now I'm thinking about.
Okay, now you're thinking about it.
Yes.
Okay, what do you do?
Actually, now I'm doing job in a restaurant, ma'am, as a manager.
Okay.
If I talk about my qualification, I completed a diploma in fire engineering after 12th.
Fire
But
engineering.
yes, yes, yes. But after Corona, I left that job, and I'm from that I'm doing the job in restaurant
Okay.
just because of I want to start my own food stall as soon as possible.
So you did diploma in fire
Yes, ma'am.
engineering, but you are working in restaurant. So are you liking the work of a restaurant manager?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I like much.
Okay, so when customers make complaints about the food, how do you handle it?
Yes. Actually, when I in hotel, that our boss is also sitting with me, so they have much experience than me. So he handle the customer, how to convince them.
Okay, he handles the customers. Who is he?
He's our owner, means
Okay,
boss.
okay. So the owner of the restaurant also sits with you. So whenever there is a
Yes,
complaint, he handles it. And what is
yes,
your
ma'am.
job
Exactly.
as a manager? So what do you do as a manager?
I take the bills and all.
Okay, you just collect the payment.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, nothing else. So you want to open your restaurant. That is why you are doing this job so that you can gain experience. How to run a business,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes,
Okay. So what kind of
yes,
food
yes.
stall you are thinking of starting?
I'm just thinking about some snacks.
Okay. So you were
Yes,
saying
yes, yes.
snacks. What kind of snacks?
It's just like a bhel puri, pani puri, and all.
I have seen pani puri
What?
stalls. They do very well. Yeah, people are so fond of pani puris.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In here also, people like very much.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you tell me how to record this session?
I
Yes,
will
yes, yes.
record the
Okay, no
conversation
problem.
and I will edit and upload it on my channel. If you want this recording, I will give you the recording and you can do that after I upload the video. Okay? So don't record it
Okay,
right
ma'am.
now. You
No
also
problem.
have a channel?
No, ma'am. No, I don't have a channel now.
Okay, you want to just record the video for yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So don't worry, I will give you the recording. Okay?
No, we can talk about our my daily routine. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. You tell me your daily routine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So I wake up 6 or 6:30 o'clock in the morning.
No. Now stop after every sentence. I wake up
I
at
wake up.
6. I wake up at 6 or 6:30 in the morning. We put at with time. So I wake up at 6 or 6:30 in the morning.
I wake up at 6 or 6:30 in the morning.
Right. Yeah.
Yes.
Then
And then
then what did you say?
I go to the ground for exercise.
I go to the
Park ground.
No, we don't say
Park,
ground.
park.
I go to the park for my
Okay,
exercise. I go
for
to
my
the park
exercise
for my workout or I exercise in the park.
in
Okay?
the park. Okay,
Right.
ma'am, got it.
Okay, then
And after that, I came back to my room.
No. After
And
that, I come back. I come back to my room. Come back.
I
Came
come
back means aya.
back.
But this is a daily
I
routine, so you have to use present indefinite tense. I
Yes,
come
yes,
back
yes.
to my room after the exercise.
Okay. And I prepare cooks for myself.
I prepare.
I cooks food for myself. Is it
I
right?
cooks. If you are using
I
I,
cook.
then I cook. Or you can say I cook
Yes.
my breakfast. Then I cook my
Okay.
breakfast. Okay,
Yes.
then?
Then I watch some English content like your video and other YouTubers.
Okay, correct.
And after that, I go to my work
Where do you go?
in my restaurant.
Okay. So after that, I leave for work. You can say I leave for
Okay.
work or I go to my restaurant.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Then
And 10 or 10:30, I come back to my room.
room. You
10
live
or
in a
10:30
room.
p.m.
Don't you come home? Do you live
Ah,
separately?
yes, yes, ma'am. That's why I'm always talking room.
Okay. So you can say 10 साढ़े 10 घर आता हूँ, right? So you can say by
Yes, right.
10:30 I come back home. By 10 or 10:30 I come back home. 10 साढ़े 10 तक घर आ जाता हूँ. Now tell me this
By 10
sentence
or 10,
correctly.
by 10 or 10:30, I come back home.
Correct. I come back home. Yeah. But what
Okay,
about the
ma'am.
work in between? So what do you do in the restaurant? Tell me that also. When you
I
reach the
just
restaurant in the morning, when you reach the restaurant in the morning, what do you do?
take the orders from customers.
Okay. You
Okay.
take the orders
Uh,
from customers. Do you
yes,
suggest
ma'am.
some
Yes,
items to them? Okay.
yes, ma'am. Yes.
So what is the best selling item of your restaurant?
Actually, our restaurant is in family beer bar, ma'am. So we have veg, non-veg, both food.
Okay. It's a family
And
restaurant, come beer bar. You have
yes,
non-veg and veg items. What is the best selling item in your restaurant?
is in chicken masala
Okay, chicken masala. And what about the
and
best selling veg item?
paneer masala, lachhadar, paneer makhni.
Okay, and which is the best selling snack item? Are there
Uh,
snacks as well?
yes, ma'am.
Snacks are there?
Yes, ma'am. Snack is
Oh.
also there.
So which are the best selling snacks?
Ma'am, chicken, mutton dry, and one more is I don't know
Remember. You
now.
don't remember?
I don't remember now that particular
Okay.
name.
Veg snacks. Tell me a good veg snack item.
Veg snack is in paneer chili and soybean chili.
Okay. And mushroom? There is a mushroom snack.
Huh, mushroom snacks will also get in our restaurant, but not in the snacks. Is in
Main dish.
with
It's in main dish, not a
uh,
snack item. Okay.
yes, is
And does
in
your
main.
restaurant serve desserts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. There are no desserts.
Can I ask you how many children you have?
I have two children.
Still, you look very beautiful and young, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Okay. Tell me something interesting that happened in your restaurant.
Uh, Nothing, ma'am. We just talk about today's topic. Actually, today here is also very big celebration.
Oh, yes, yes.
So,
Because of Ram Mandir.
because of Ram Mandir, and when uh, when was Lord Prabhu Shri Ram is in Vanvas.
Yes, yes.
So he stayed here also few days in a Nashik
In
that
Nasik.
time.
Okay, okay. So Sri Ram stayed here for a few days in Nasik while he was in
Nashik,
the
yeah.
exile.
Exile, yes.
Yeah.
One was miss exile, right? No?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
How are they celebrating it?
Ma'am, I want to tell you one thing also.
Yeah.
You treat and teach your student like your own children's, and I like that very much.
Thank you.
You always means teach them and correct their mistakes like very kind way.
Thank you.
Actually, I blessed to talk with you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
Uh,
So you were waiting for a long time?
no, actually, I don't have confidence much when I starting your video,
Okay.
but now I'm little bit getting my confidence. So I just message you before 2 or 3 days on Instagram.
Okay. So are my videos helpful to you? Are you learning something from them?
Yes, ma'am. I have lots of learn from your videos, and I always watching your videos
Okay.
always, cause you correct the people's like proper way, means what they should use the perfect sentence and perfect word while they are speaking.
Okay. So you like that about my
And then
videos, and you mean to say that I correct people there and then, and I tell them what mistakes they are making so that they can learn from them and they know that we don't have to make the same mistakes again, right?
yes, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
So do you read also? Read English content?
Ma'am, actually, now I don't have much time.
Okay, you come back at 10 or 10:30. What do you do after that?
Sorry, ma'am. Can you say again?
You come back home at around 10:30.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do after that?
After that, I just watch some random videos on YouTube, like English content videos.
Okay. And then you sleep.
Yes, ma'am. Then I sleep.
Okay. What about your dinner? You have dinner at your
Uh,
restaurant?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so you have lunch at the restaurant and dinner at the restaurant?
Yes, ma'am. I get from there.
Okay. So what
I
do
just prepare breakfast for myself.
you eat out every day in your own
No, ma'am.
restaurant?
No. I'm health conscious people. That's why I didn't eat too much.
Okay. That is why you don't eat too much. Okay. What do you make
Yes.
for breakfast?
Uh, Sometime I just wa- warm the milk, and sometime I do some pohe and little bit snacks.
Okay. Sometimes you make some poha or some snack, and sometimes you
Yes,
just heat the milk and have it. You just heat the milk and have
yes,
it, or you just heat the milk and put some cornflakes and sugar in it?
yes. Just add some sugar
Okay.
and is it?
Okay. You just heat the milk and put sugar and then have it.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Okay. So you don't have to cook all day because then after that you eat only at your restaurant.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. For how many years have you been living alone here?
From last year, ma'am.
Okay. Since last year. Since last
Since
year you
last
have
year.
been living alone.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. I have been.
And where does your family live?
They are in my hometown.
Okay. Where is your hometown?
Is in other district. Jalgaon is in Jalgaon district.
Okay. Jalgaon district.
Yes, yes.
So you plan to open your stall in which area? In Nasik only?
In Nasik only, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Nasik is a very good city.
Okay. So you are watching English conversation videos to improve your English, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Apart from watching English conversation videos, start watching some English movies and web series also. Your English
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be really,
Actually,
English level will be enhanced.
yes, yes, ma'am. Actually, I know what I want to do for my fluent English,
Mhm.
but I don't have much. That's why I can't do that all things.
See, I tell you how to take out time.
Reading.
Yeah. You
Yes,
want
ma'am.
to read and watch other things also, but you think that you don't have time. But you know, when you are at the restaurant, is the restaurant always full of customers? No. I think there
Little
is
bit, ma'am.
some, 3 to 5. Between that time,
Yes.
I don't think many customers come.
After evening, the many customer will come in our restaurant.
Yeah. So there are some 2, 3 hours where most customers don't like to visit the restaurants. So you get
Yes,
some
yes.
free time in the restaurant itself. During that time, you can watch some other things also. And tell me, why do you want to improve your English?
Actually, I am very curious about my from my childhood, and now the English is global language. Everyone needs to this language, and everyone wants to speak this language. So I also want to speak.
Yeah. And if you
And,
start your
and
own food stall, when you start your own food stall, all kinds of
that is
customers will come. and you will be able
Yes.
to handle their questions, and you will be able to explain your stuff to them if you are very good at
Yes.
English. So it will be good for your business also.
Yes. 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 That's why that's the main reason I learn to speak English. If in future I will get means what I can say, in future if I become a huge businessman,
Yeah, yeah. Then,
uh, then uh, then I can ask with people in anywhere in whole India,
yeah, yeah, yeah. You
if I
can
will start
travel
my
around the world and travel around the world and tell everyone about your business. And you can expand your business everywhere if you are good at English.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Internationally also you can expand your business.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. Talk with
Hmm.
them in English.
Right. So you can watch English conversations and try to watch English content as much as possible. That alone is enough for, improving your fluency. So
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Kalpesh, all the best. You will be very
Yes,
fluent
ma'am.
and you will become a very good businessman. I am telling you.
Yes, ma'am.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So
Thank you,
it
ma'am.
was an enjoyable
Okay.
conversation. It was so nice talking to you. Okay, then.
Yes, ma'am. I hope we will talk again after some
Uh,
days.
Actually, Kalpesh, it's difficult for me to give another conversation to one person. I try to give one conversation to everyone. So,
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
yeah.
No problem.
So it's actually difficult for me.
I can
Okay.
I can understand. I can understand your busy schedule.
But if I get a chance and if I have free time sometime, I will contact you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Okay.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Ma'am, one thing. When will you upload our video on
By
YouTube?
next week. By next week, in maybe 4 to 5 days, I will upload this video on
45.
YouTube. Okay?
And after that you can you will
Yeah.
send me
I will
this
send you the video
recording.
also. When I upload the
Okay, ma'am.
video, after that, I will send you the video also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. No
Okay.
problem. No
Bye
problem.
bye.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.